The moon's orbit. The question gives you the following information. The perigee, which is the closest distance from the moon to Earth, is 221,463 miles. The apogee, which is the farthest distance from the moon and Earth, is 252,710 miles. Given this, the question asks you to assume that this will be an ellipse and that the Earth will be at the foci. After being given this information, you're asked to solve for A, B, C, and E. So, in order to facilitate the process, I recommend you to label these two. You know that the Earth, in being told in the problem, will be the foci. The distance from the origin to the foci will be at C, will equal C. Also, you know that the center to on one side, half of the semi major axis, which is A, will equal this distance. You're giving these two values, and if you add these two up, you'll find the major axis length, and by dividing by 2, you'll be able to find the value of A. When you add these two together, 221,463, which is that value, plus 252,710, which is that value. The perigee and the apogee equal the major axis length. You'll get 474, 173. This is the major axis length, which also equals 2A. By dividing this length, 474, 173 miles, by 2, you'll find that A equals 237,080 miles. So the value of A, this distance, will equal 237,087 miles. So you could label that. Next, you can find the value of C. You know that this distance will equal 221,463. However, you don't know this distance. You could take and you know the distance across is equals A. So by finding C, you could subtract the A from the perigee, the information given to you. So 237,087 minus, which is the value of A, the perigee, which is 221,463 miles, equals 15,624 miles. And that's the value of C. After being able to find A and C, you could find the value of B. You use the Pythagorean relation A squared equals B squared plus C squared, since it is an ellipse. Since the numbers are too large, I'll cut to what B equals, but basically you'll plug in A here and then square it, equals B squared plus 15,624 miles squared, and subtracting the value of C over to A, and then using the root of B, you'll get B equals 236,572, which also equals in miles. And once again, plug in A and plug in C, and you'll find B. E equals C over A. So you'll place 15,624 miles over 237,087 miles, and the approximate value will be 0.066. So this is all the information that the question is asking you for.